Hello everybody, this is Virendra Jagdale and today I am showing you the demo of question assignment. It is part of project 6B Harvard course Introduction to Artificial Intelligence using Python. Here we are trying to build a basic questioning answering system, which is the field within natural language processing that can answer questions. First, we are finding the top file matching the query words using word frequency and the inverse document frequency, and then finding the top matching sentence from the top file paragraphs. So let's start with first. So we are putting this query, what are the types of supervised learning, and we are getting the answer. Types of supervised learning algorithm includes active learning, classification and regression. So basically this is our core plus, and it is our system is reading all these files, and based on these term frequency and inverse document frequency it is identify the correct sentence. So let's try with another. So next question is, what was the Python when was the Python 3.0 released? So here we are getting the correct answer. The Python 3.0 was released on 3rd December 2008. Now here we can just one more thing we need to check. Basically one of the requirement is we need to identify the best suitable answer, best possible answer based on the query term density if their top sentences are same values, IDF values. So in this case, if you see, if we change the sentence matches 2, so if we are trying to search two top sentences, so in that case we are getting the, see these two sentences here, Python 3.0 release, these are the words, query words, and both these sentences have the same frequency and these details actually. So this is the second sentence is coming first in this particular Python file. So ideally this will be the first answer, but since we are checking if the value is same, IDF value is same, then we are checking the density, term density. So in that case this sentence is more matching, so we are giving priority to this particular sentence. So our answer is the first sentence if we are just selecting the first match. Okay, so now let's try a few more options, like something like who are the Pythonians, and here we are getting the correct answer, that the user and admirers of Python, especially those who considering knowledge or experience, are often referred as Pythonians. So this is the requirement and we are fulfilling all the requirements in these assignments. Thank you.